Listen and practice speaking skills.
Good evening, madam. Welcome to Le Grand Cuisine. I trust you've had a chance to peruse our menu.
Yes, thank you. Your menu is quite extensive and everything looks absolutely exquisite.
I'm delighted to hear that. Do you have any dietary preferences or allergies I should be aware of?
I'm pescatarian, so I'm looking for seafood options. But I'm also open to vegetarian dishes.
Noted, madam. We have some wonderful options for you. Our grilled sea bass with lemon butter sauce and our wild mushroom risotto are both highly recommended.
Both sound wonderful. I'll go with the grilled sea bass, please.
An excellent choice. And would you like to begin with any appetizers or perhaps a salad?
I'll start with the Caesar salad, please.
Very well. And to accompany your meal, may I suggest a glass of our house Chardonnay? It pairs beautifully with seafood dishes.
That sounds perfect. I'll have the Chardonnay, please.
Excellent choice. Now, for dessert, would you like to indulge in something sweet or perhaps a cheese platter to finish your meal?
I have a bit of a sweet tooth tonight. What do you recommend?
Our chef's specialty is the molten chocolate lava cake, served with a scoop of homemade vanilla bean ice cream.
That sounds absolutely divine. I'll definitely save room for the chocolate lava cake.
Wonderful. I'll ensure your order is placed promptly. In the meantime, please enjoy the ambience of Le Grand Cuisine.
Thank you, Lucas. I truly appreciate your assistance.
It's my pleasure, madam. Should you require anything else, please don't hesitate to ask.
Hey, Michael. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Hey, Emily. Absolutely, the sun is shining, the birds are chirping, it's perfect.
I couldn't agree more. So, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just the usual grind at work. Trying to balance that with a bit of fun on the weekends, you know?
Totally understand. Work can be draining sometimes. Have you been able to find any time for your hobbies?
A little bit here and there. Been trying to get back into playing guitar. It's been ages since I picked it up.
That's awesome. You always had such a knack for music. Maybe we should start a band.
Yeah, that could be fun. You know anyone who plays the drums?
Actually, my cousin is pretty good. I'll ask him if he's interested.
Sweet. Let me know what he says. So, how's your new job going?
It's been challenging but rewarding. I'm learning a lot and enjoying the work culture. Plus, the commute isn't too bad.
That's great to hear. I'm glad you're settling in well. Hey, speaking of work, have you met any interesting people lately?
Well, there's this guy in my department who's really funny. We hit it off pretty well.
Ooh, sounds promising. Any chance for a workplace romance?
We'll see. I'm just taking it one day at a time.
Good plan. So, what are your plans for the weekend?
I was thinking of going hiking. It's been ages since I've been out in nature.
That sounds like a blast. Mind if I tag along?
Of course not. The more, the merrier. It'll be like old times.
Definitely. Hey, did you hear about Sarah's engagement?
Yes, I saw it on social media. I'm so happy for her. She deserves all the love and happiness in the world.
Absolutely. Hey, speaking of love, have you been on any dates lately?
A few here and there, but nothing serious. I'm enjoying being single for now.
Fair enough. Hey, do you want to grab some ice cream after this?
Absolutely. Ice cream sounds like the perfect way to end a perfect day.
Agreed. Let's finish our chat and then indulge in some sweet treats.
Sounds like a plan, Michael.